Los resultados que obtenemos con el Vision 3 se hace una mejor selección de la fruta por calidad, entonces podemos forzar un poquito la máquina tirando más kilos y hemos conseguido aumentar la producción y bajar costes.
Family Tree Farms, we were the first company in California to install the Peach Vision. We just love this machine. We love its ability to be able to vision sort. So it's sorting quality and making choices for us, so packers don't have to make that decision, so that makes them more efficient. And we're able to do more throughput, more pounds per day because of the Peach Vision, and that's really been helpful, and we're really thankful for that. These multi-pack lines do a phenomenal job, and we're able to pack a rapid amount of trays per hour, and that's been very helpful, and I think it's doubled our efficiency with these packers.
Hoy día estamos consiguiendo separar todos los defectos, tanto externos como internos, que la gran distribución no demanda.
Abbiamo riscontrato immediatamente un cospicuo risparmio in termini di manodopera. Siamo sull'ordine del 50-70% di risparmio di costi di manodopera.
Our reason for choosing a Unitec machine is the advanced technical know-how and capabilities of handling soft fruits such as peaches and nectarines.
Las llenadoras automáticas Unitec hace 600 han cumplido todas las expectativas, porque lo hace todo ella automáticamente. Tú solo tienes que sacar la caja, etiquetar y vender. Es genial.